Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Wednesday, June 7th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a quick video to let everyone know that tonight is not only our cutoff night for our power line system, we also have a live webinar every single Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a great chance, if you're not familiar with gotbackup, to come and join us by clicking on the link down below the video or visiting gotbackupwebinar.com. It's a great place for you to learn more about this awesome opportunity. You'll get to meet the owners, the corporate team. You'll usually get a tour of the facility that they have. They have a $10 million+ facility in Texas. That's awesome. And, you can ask all the questions that you want to. So that's tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and every single Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have a live webinar. Come check us out. Go to gotbackupwebinar.com or click the link down below the video. And I hope to see you there. If you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in any of my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.